First off, you'll need to turn the feature on. Start by heading to Settings. From there, tap on Galaxy AI. Once selected, you're going to scroll down until you see Note Assist. Tap on the feature and toggle it on. Once finished with this step, you're going to want to open your Samsung Notes. You can then select a drawing that you've previously done or draw something new from scratch. With your drawing ready, you'll now need to tap on the Galaxy Assist icon. The next step is to select Drawing Assist from the list of available options, after which you'll be prompted to select the drawing that you want to turn into an image. At this point, you should get a list of different image styles to choose from. Select an option and then tap on Generate to see your artwork transformed. You can also use the text-to-image feature on the same page to make additional edits. Simply type your instructions into the text box and tap Generate. And there you have it. Now you know how to use Galaxy AI's Drawing Assist feature on your Samsung phone.